A couple of months ago, I planted out my tomato seeds into these yogurt containers so that I can plant them into bigger outdoor containers when the weather is warm enough. Let's see how they're doing.
We are growing vegetables on a budget.
The seedlings are a little smaller than I was hoping for being this far along. It took them around 4 weeks to germinate. I think that's partly because it's cooler in the greenhouse than it would be if I had them inside, so it took a little bit longer. They aren't ready to be out in the open just yet. They haven't grown enough or developed enough of a root system to survive out in the elements. But there is something I should do now to help them grow as well as they can. Back when I planted the seeds, I put 2 seeds in each hole. The idea being that it maximizes the probability of at least 1 seed germinating. You're very unlikely to get a 100% hit rate with your seeds after all. But that leaves me now with having some containers with multiple plants. Some of the containers have 2 plants, and one even has 3. I must have planted 3 seeds instead of 2 here. Having 2 plants in each container is not optimal because the plants will be competing for nutrients and space, which will lead to stunted growth long term. What I want to do therefore is to thin them out. When I say thinning plants out, I'm reducing the number of plants in a space or a container by removing the weak plants and leaving the strong ones. So for now, I'm going to gently pull out the smallest plants, leaving just the biggest one in each container. It is good to do this early on in the plant's development because there are less roots, which mean there's less chance of damaging the remaining plant. I'm going to put these back in the greenhouse for another few weeks to wait for the plants to develop some more. They'll be going into their permanent homes later than I was planning, but that's not going to be a problem. Remember, a greenhouse is not essential for this. If you have a window ledge or other sunny position in your home, that will be perfect. That's all for now. Make sure you are subscribed to Scott Grows an Avocado Tree so as to not miss any avocado or growing vegetables on a budget updates. Also, check out the Growing Vegetables on a Budget playlist, which is on the screen now, to watch all of the videos in order. Thanks very much for watching, and I will see you next time.